Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you how to connect switch with the end devices. We will use Cisco packet tracer. First, we will find the switch, then we will connect with these two end devices, PC1 and PC2 there, and we will select the cable. We will select the cable with the connected with the switch. Now we will assign IP address to the end devices. Go to desktop, IP address, we will choose class C IP address 192.168.1.1. Subnet marks automatically will assign Cisco packet tracer. Then desktop 192.160.168.1.2. Subnet marks is automatically assigned with the Cisco packet tracer. Then we will check uh, send videos to the second device, and then we will check simulation. First send simulation to the devices. Success in progress. First packages go on the switch, then second packet go on the PC3. Successful. Thank you all. We will meet you in second video.